For you guys who don't know, PRI is not a car show. It is a car parts show. However, if it was a car show, I think this would probably be best of show. 56 Ford F-600 crew cab, dually, custom dually. Look at this. This is some of the finest work I've seen on a vehicle in here. Just nasty, nasty looking. Beautiful paint. Like, fantastic interior, just everything. This is impeccable craftsmanship that went into this. Super, super nice. I love the door handles, mirrors, everything. It just looks great. And then under the hood, ISB Cummins, custom, twin turbo. It's like just fantastic looking. Check out that intake manifold on this thing. Beautiful. Really nice work, and just lots of little subtle things. I love what they did with the exhaust, worked into the body work. It's just, yeah, this is as nice as it gets at this show. Pretty good stuff. So definite eye catcher. Here's showing off their Cummins motor. So if you want to Cummins swap your Ford, even if it's, you know, nearly a century old, got the parts here to do it. Really nice stuff. Fire ringed head. Got more coming from PRI, but this one made me stop.